Good. So, oops, crap. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. I'm so unprofessional. Okay. So, my heart is in this little bisque deep down somewhere. I want to fly. My heart wants to fly. It wants wings. It wants wings. It wants to fly. I think that's what I need. I'm trying to get out of myself and jump into that. What does that mean? What does it even mean? There's situations, there's things at place, there's blockages, there's things that I can't get to. I just want to pick that up and let it fly with all these freaking birds.
Okay.
Oh, and the birds just flew. I don't, it's crazy. The energy just stopped here.